Welcome to Live Healthy with Judith. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make the healthiest sweetener for your breakfast. And this is how it looks. So yummy, healthy, and perfect for all kinds of breakfast ideas. So the first thing I did was to get my hand washed. And here you can see our date, a super fruit. And what I'm actually doing is to remove the seed. I actually soaked this date for 24 hours and I placed it in the refrigerator so as not to allow it ferment, because I still want it to still have that freshness, you know. And then I'm going to remove the seeds of every single one of them, and this is actually 2 cups of dates I'm going to transfer into another bowl. So if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you in this family, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up for this video and also click on the notification bell so that you get to see all of our new uploads. And here is our date. So we're proceeding to the next step. It is to blend all of this with our super blender. So our 2 cups of dates already seedless, and then I have my coconut oil. I actually use this product because it works best for me in all of my recipes. And then here goes our cinnamon, a super spice that gives this paste a very nice flavor and aroma. So I'm going to transfer all of this date into the blender, and then I'm going to be adding a 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon, and then I will be adding 2 tablespoons of our coconut oil. You can also use other oil, healthy oils, not vegetable oil, please. You can use olive oil, you can use almond oil, you can use soy oil, any kind of oil that is available to you, but not vegetable oil, because you want to still keep this very healthy. And then I'm going to be adding a 1/4 cup of already boiled water. You can also use 1/2 cup of water, depends on the size of your dates. Then blend all together until they form a paste. And this sweetener is perfect for vegans, for those who want to manage, or who are trying to prevent spike in their blood sugar level, and it is healthy. This was blended for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, and our date paste is ready. See how beautiful and luscious it's looking. So what I simply do is to transfer this into an already prepared jar, distilled and clear to use. So I'm going to transfer all of our date paste into this jar, and this is so as to allow it to stay for a longer period, and ensure also that any of the containers you're going to be transferring your paste to has a cover or a seal that will enable the paste to stay for a longer period. And this paste can stay for up to 3 to 4 weeks. Wow, you can see our date paste is ready. A healthy sweetener that can be used for all kinds of breakfast, and even richer and healthier than honey. So please try this date paste and give us your comment in the comment section, because I know you would definitely love it. And I actually used mine to take my pap, and it was so yummy. You can see how it is looking. And then I added my tiger nut milk, and this dish was wow woo. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Until I see you again in our next video, bye.